Guys, welcome back to my Learn Stat channel, and today I'm gonna be finishing up with some of my projects. So this is one thing. There's a problem because if you in this project, if you just press the flag, it kind of looks weird because she just floats down. She's supposed to like twirl. She's like spinning and then falling down. I mean, yeah. There we go. If you press the flag 2 times, she'll go down like that. There we go. And then that song is from Roblox.
This place is beautiful.
I did that. Why? I don't know why I did that. I just did that. So I'm just gonna be making some of most of the projects. So I'm gonna be finishing some of this project. So it's a really big animation. If you don't know the UNIKITTY Besties, it's a book series I'm making. Also I'm putting in the scratch. So yeah, the UNIKITTY Besties. Let's search for that studio like right now. UNIKITTY lovers. I remember I made the studio. Yeah, that one. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, where's the one that's Candy? UNIKITTY Besties. That's the first episode. Yeah, this is episode 1. I need this in my backpack, like the episode, the thumbnail. I need the thumbnail in my backpack. There we go. I have it in my backpack now. This is episode 1, like. Happened.
Help me!
She goes in a portal. Yes, that is true. Yeah, Candy goes into a portal. So that's the first episode. Episode 2. And also whoa, it seems like you're commenting really quickly. Please wait longer between posts. Okay, I'm posting. No, why is it not working? Okay. So let's wait for some time and then post it. Okay. What? Seriously? And we're just gonna add a key face. Bruh. I like typing so fast. I type so fast, like type so fast. There we go. My mouse became so big suddenly. So you can check out my profile and it's really cool. And this is how it looks like. So yeah, this is my welcome to my profile. I use someone's welcome to my profile template. So anyways, let's get started with episode 2.
Wait, where am I? This place is beautiful.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is beautiful, and I'm just gonna make a rainbow background. Just find a rainbow background. Okay, and I'm just gonna quickly find it on the new tab, and then quickly find a background. Yeah, backgrounds are cool. Yeah, yay, yo, backgrounds. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video and get a rainbow. So yeah, I need a copy. All right, guys, we got this rainbow. I'm just gonna group it together and let's go to vector. So as you can see, I am making a rainbow background. It's really cool. Yes, rainbow. And the backdrop one. Actually, no, I want to make a backdrop one. So anyways, I'm just gonna say pretty when I receive pretty flower world, I'm going to switch backdrop to rainbow. So let's check that out. Check that project out when we put this bar thing like over here. There.
Wait, where am
Yeah, that flower, sorry, got cut off. I used bitmap mode. So anyways. Oh, why am I singing that? Okay, let's just get back to the project. Okay, I'm stopping now. I'm just going to continue. Then candy appears out later. After the flowers. Okay, so after the flowers, we're gonna add one green flag quick. Dun, da, 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 da. And candy appears. Again, I guess. Yeah. Candy appears and then she shows again and she's like, show there. Okay. The sky is rainbow too.
The sky is rainbow too.
Recording my voice. Sorry, I'm Candy. I'm like, it's Candy. Sky's pretty too. Yep. No. Yes.
Wait, where am I? This place is beautiful. The sky is rainbow too.
Yup. And then the outro. Before that, then after that, then I'm gonna receive outro. I'm gonna do my outro. Bro, where's my outro? I need my outro. Okay, I'm gonna just go find my outro. Where's my outro? Oh my god, it's actually my intro, but still my outro. Okay. No way. It's in the magic cutie pie. Oh, come on. Where's my outro? Outro. There it is. Mouth movements.
Hi guys.
No, that's not the one. This is the one.
Hi guys.
There it is. Okay. Yes, what? Sweetie. I'm gonna do Sweetie this time. Sweetie. Sweetie. And I'm going to do this over here. Yeah, just go. Where's that other thing? Cutie, where's Cutie? Cutie. Get rid of this cutie, please. So I'm going back to this thing. Why do I need to change my intros anyways? I don't like changing my intros. It's so weird. I mean, oh, come on. Please, just stop. I need my color. There it is. There we go. There we go. There we have it. Sweetie, oh, come on. Okay, there we go. Now let's add some more animation. Okay, am I just wasting my time or what? Okay, so let's add these tubes. What are they called? Tubes? Why am I calling them tubes? Job. What happened to this pink streak? Over here, come on. Come on, little pink streak. Get here. Oh my gosh. There. Pink streak. There we go.
Hi guys.
There we go. Why is there a buzz in my mouse key? I don't know why, but this is good. I'm putting this, like, you know what? I'm putting it in my backpack, Okay, now we're putting it back, I guess. Yeah. My thumbnail. Uh,
Hi guys.
no way. No way, I guess. No way. I'm just gonna do doo doo boo boo doo boo. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Why am I singing Mario? Start. There. Okay.
Hi guys.
No. Start. No. At start, we should hide. Start. I wouldn't group. I clicked hide. Show. And then hide. One group I clicked. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah.
Hi guys.
There we go.
Wait, where am I? This place is beautiful. The sky is rainbow too.
Medical. Ew. Okay, I'm just gonna put some banana. UNIKITTY Besties. Oh, ho, ho. Episode 2. Episode 2. There we go. There's the episode 2. Do 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 do. Okay, there we go. We're done with the UNIKITTY Besties. We finished the project. Oh yeah. I guess it's okay. I'm stopping with the big mouse. So, anyways, yeah, guys, I should probably stop being silly in my videos because this is getting weirder and weirder in every video, and just stop. And yeah, yeah. Anyways, let's just end the piano. So yeah, let's go to a thing. Let's go to the thing, the magic cutie pie with hashtag 22, or just copy paste it. Command V. No, delete Command V. Command V. Why is it not working? On what the? Wait, why? Okay, oh shoot, leave the site. Just go to a thing, and I'm going to stop it. Just I'm gonna end the video after this. Just please get to it. Please. Why do I have so many rainbow things here? Oh my gosh. Command C. There. Like and save this one. Yes, there we go. Now it's better. At least we found it. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Here you can subscribe and here you can like, just do these videos. I mean, do these videos if you haven't watched them already, or if you're new to my channel, you can watch my other videos too, not just these playlist and video. So anyways, yeah, guys, rainbow. Why is rainbow? Okay, rainbow. This is getting weirder. Okay, anyways, bye guys. See you next time. Also, look at my videos. I don't know why I put a tab here, but blah, 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 blah. Okay, anyways, bye. See you in the next video. And maybe next time I'll do another tutorial. I mean, this is weird. Because I just literally did project without teaching you. If you want, you can check the project out too. I'm just gonna name it, title it, stuff, blah, blah, blah. And so, yeah. And now on. So, yeah. Bye. See you next time, and don't forget these. Okay, I'm ending the video now. It's like, I'm talking French. No, I'm not French accent, please. I'm American. Stop it. Stop it. Stop the recording. Just stop it. Wait, is it still recording? OMG. Okay, I'm just ending it now. So bye.